welcome back to another Colorful Keto with Dory. August collaboration recipe video, Sensational Salads. My favorite fast, quick, easy, delicious, high-fat keto salad. Shredded chicken and my favorite Alterna Sweets spicy tomato ketchup. Mix that all up in there to make it a really nice spicy chicken. Green olives, black olives, sun-dried tomato, spicy pepperoni, capers, banana peppers, a couple of the whole peppers. Fresh from my garden, we're gonna add, this is mouse melon. They look like a little mini watermelon, but they taste like a cucumber with a little bit of a hint of lime. Add those in. I sliced up some nice cherry tomatoes from my garden. One little white spring onion, one purple spring onion, a small little cube of feta cheese, a slice and a half of mozzarella just in cubes, our spicy shredded chicken. Drizzle it all with olive oil. How beautiful that is before we stir it all up. A spicy chicken Antipasto salad. Don't forget to check the links in the bottom for all the other sensational salad recipes. Have an awesome day, and thanks for hanging out at Colorful Keto with Dory.